free lesson. We paranoia till we long time not trust it. I know them I wonder why we both it. But make them know them can't stop we, cause we are we're the survivors. We are the black survivors. When Marty tell them we're the survivors. The black survivors.
We've been searching. Tell me what you're searching for. Hope it's worth it whenever you find your cure. Cause we've been searching. Tell me what you're searching for. Hope it's worth it whenever you find your cure. Them say your mind you've been living in, say you want to learn everything from the beginning. Is it that we are just visiting or we been transcending from a different place in a different time? Energy flowing from a different line. Hear the story about million times. Different thought about the same line. It's evidence and none of the story no bring you no closer. Think you're the neighbor, you're so far. But none of you are them no over now. You locked in your memory. Living like this is a fast life. Running away from your past life. Trying to find yourself. Say you've been searching. Tell me what you're searching for. Hope it's worth it whenever you find your cure. Hope it's worth it. Cause we've been searching. Tell me what you're searching for. What you're searching for. Hope it's worth it whenever you find your cure.
Looking at my diamonds glistening to find the light. China white on my dynamite. Everything I have on designer type. And I still nothing expensive but I don't like. Mill for the chain, 2 for the watch, 10 for the house, 22 for the yacht, 70 grand for the shoes in the box. I'm up in the whip and removing the top. Spending it all on vanity. Sipping liquor then vomiting. Feel like I'm losing my sanity. Losing my love for humanity. This was all so promising. Now it's all so astonishing. When I communicate with my family, I can't relate to the poverty. Is this a dream that I've been searching for? Please remind me. What is the meaning of this? Feel like a real tsunami. And my mind is spinning and I've been willing to do anything just to find the ticket surprise. Just give me a sign cause something I sitting so right. I thought that I thought the life. Now I see that I was living a lie. Chasing the money and chasing the spirits and losing my soul and wasting my time. All of this money and still I'm depressed. I got a problem, I feel I'm obsessed. Never invested, I know I'm in debt. I'm forced to be living check to checks. I know
they don't know. And I said they don't know. Oh boy, they see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know, yeah. Only you know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. They see the dancing, them see the performance. Enough people see me life and want one. But them no know say more time it look dormant. And them no see say I'm me belly me a crawl pan. Cause my mama just called me with tears in her eyes. She never know me have a stage show tonight. Not even she see the fears in my eyes. But me just a go and put on the show. Cause they don't know, yeah. They don't know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know. Only I know, Jah. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Yes, in at the boiling sun, putting it on the street. Righteous music, me putting it on the beat. But nothing no righteous about how life set. If you no know hard life, then you no know life yet. Because my papa just call me poverty, make him a screw. Him never know, say me have an interview. But me still have to put on the show. Because they don't know, I said they don't know, yeah. They don't know, they see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know, chronics. Only you know, oh yeah, yeah. They see you smile, boy, but they don't know what you feel inside. Yes, I. So long me make me ball, long me make me cry, cause they don't know what I feel inside. Long me make me ball. Leave me make me cry. Yes I. But and I say, love me make me ball, love me make me cry. Only I know, yes, Jah, yes. Only I know. And I say, he that keep it his mouth, you know. They shall belong. I never ask you, nothing when you tell me. I beg you daily to cease and still you keep talking. Me granny tell me from your little baby, he that keep it his mouth shall stay out of problem. It seems like you is a news carrying jail, so I ain't carrying on. Same out that chatter with me will chatter of me, murder rap big informer. Oh Jay, your mouth I go put you in a problem. Whoa. Hey. Oh Jay, I said your mouth I go put you in a problem. Oh yes, you a go bad, say see a kaya mouth. You a go weak, say see a kaya teeth. Creation make a ball, see a kaya mouth. Every thief is a liar, every liar is a thief. Yes, remember you tell me Teflon hate me. So what? Then you tell Teflon can excite him like a dose of poison. Don't believe you, you're wicked. Oh man, yes. You tell me woman say me have another lady. Then you tell me say she have a man will live a high rise. Murder amount of my seed. And something when you is a news carrying jail. And so I ain't carrying on. No, same out that chatter with me will chatter of me mount murder rap big informer. Oh Jay, your mouth I go put you in a problem. Yes I. Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the topics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. And never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history. A beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss. Of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me, say she tired. Tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronix is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me, I beg you do for me. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Hey, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Girl, I'm here for you, Jamaica. What must I try? Oh, my. I don't
sweet killer, can't put back a red on the Rasta man a pillar. She's just a sweet killer, can't put back a foot in at the Rasta man a villa. She's just a sweet killer. Me one day for she kill off Jacob Miller. She's just a sweet killer, yeah. Sweet sweet killer, yeah, yeah. Enough get tricked by your looks, I know she talking, Oh, she smiles, I know she walking, She will make you daydreaming at the park, Drift away with a broken heart, Take your free books and get no joke, you play not, Oh, she provides, will if you're distraught, Make you feeling sad and dark, So she stay, so she make her mark, She's a sweet killer, Can't put back a red on the Rasta man pillar. She's just a sweet killer, Can't put back a foot in the Rasta man villa. She's just a sweet killer, My one day for she, kill off Jacob Miller. She's just a sweet killer, yeah, yeah. Sweet killer, yeah. I got to leave her. She's just a deceiver. I know it no more than ever. Though she gives the sweetest pleasure, yeah. I put a block on her number. It makes my heart go thunder. I don't wanna surrender. She's like a devil down under.
Well, alright. Enough don't know what they've been saying. Others don't know what they've been playing. We see the good music they on the leg. No wonder why so many of our children gone astray. You fi play it in the streets, make it flow up in the breeze. And anytime the reggae play, yo, we bring us stress relief, yo. We not promote no criminal nor no thief. Anytime touch blaze the fire, yo, we burn up all the beasts. So we tell them, say, play with some good reggae music, yeah. This is reggae music, yeah. Cause we can afford to go lose it. This is reggae music, this is reggae music, yeah. Play with some good reggae music. I said play with conscious reggae music, yeah. We can't afford to go lose it. Oh no, hold on. The people them tired that the ism and the schism and the looting and the shooting with them gun lyrics. Hey, a man want hold a joy in a the dance with the woman, yeah. And just squeeze and press. If it blind, the deaf, the dumb, them will love to have some fun. Feel the tremor in the bass when we a beat the kettle jump. Oh, hold on, and all we got is love. Represent for reggae music, keep it flying like God. Me say the data say she got a piece of land, so she been searching for the farmer man. We keep on care and cultivate the land. Listen me no man. Hey, yam dashing with the cocoa. Farmer man no ramp fi walk like a moto. And so she check farmer man. She got a piece of land and then she want fi know the blowing at the farm go. We introduce her to the lettuce and the fruits. In a blender, a belly full of the juice. Round her back well preserving at the roots. Draw for the last and the big water boot. So she request the farmer man. Want him walk on her land. So she request the farmer man. She say him fit and him strong, so she draw for the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. Request the farmer man. She want the garden plow with the farmer farm. She get cocoa when she ride and start drop off. Pan her side she want the plant type of plant. Make water run down and can lock off. Want it no one she nah go take no talk. Lamb sugar cane yes I that marijuana yard. From the man go plant man Julie farm. Pumpkin make off a when banana walk. So she a request the farmer man. Want him walk on her land, so she request the farmer man. She say him fit and him strong, so she strong.
If you told me that you need me, I'm your one and only. Never leave me lonely. If you said that I'm your heartbeat, give your love to me only. I will stand right by you.
Baby boy, if your loving is not a show, prove it now, call me really, really have to know. Tired of waiting, I go waiting vain. Pulling on me yard, don't come on my way. Never knew how me could have been this way. Need you like how the parts I need him clear. Once you treat me right, I never go astray.
If you told me that you need me, I'm your one and only. Never leave me lonely.
you have life still. Oh, nothing is greater. Just chill, chill, chill. Keep safe and go and build. Once you have life still. Oh, nothing is greater. I miss nowadays, me nah have nothing better fi do than lock up in the house and burn some trees. A lucky thing me stack up and be a homegrown cherry pie train wreck a pound a tangy. One thing nicer than the high grade cess. So I feel give me the love in excess. A good thing we have each other fi de-stress. Man I fi give thanks to the Father and bless and chill, chill, chill. Kick back and go and build. Once you have life still. Oh, nothing is greater. No. Just chill, chill, chill. Keep safe and go and build. Once you have life still. Oh, nothing is greater. I feel so party. Me and my shawty. Well, let's meet again. Hey. Music's for the soul, sensibility's for the brain. Hey, combine them both, give you a feeling you can't contain. So just run some tune, DJ. Give me some of that sensei. Hey, I'm in a good mood, DJ. Now that me under me sensei. Wine, baby, wine, while I roll up and light a big head. Hey, I'm feeling fine. Blanks a bus, no copper, no lead. Hey, so just run some tune, DJ. Give me some of that sensei. Hey, I'm in a good mood.
Don't be afraid.
We lick the chalice, make the water go sun. It make bring us up, me make kick us. Smoke the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs. Oh, to make the chalice go.
High grade, strictly high grade. Don't be afraid.
We lick the chalice, make the water go. It make bring us up, me make kick us. Smoke the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs. Oh, to make the chalice go. Give me the weedy. Cut off the cigarette like off of the BD. Smoke the weed till we eyes them bleedy. Pass another couple load and give me. Smoke the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs. Oh, no, make the chalice go. This Cumberland come from Central, Sensibina from Clarendon. The good skunk them say come from Westmoreland. Smoke the sensi help me sing a song so. Smoke the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs. Oh, to make the chalice go.
Cigarettes, cause it will stop I breath. Yes, yeah. I don't sniff coke, cause it will make I choke. All I smoke is the real cushion pain. Cushion pain make I count from 1 till 10. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Boy, so pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Oh, I went on the cover just to find my lover. In the kitchen she frying chicken. Meanwhile me have my cushion pain. So pass the cushion pain, pass it over.
Here comes the thinker.
Oh, yeah. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over.
yeah. Here comes the thing called peas in the can, yeah. Do you know where I'm from, yeah? Babylon, go burn down me herbs and I tell me say fi plant cassava, yeah. Them get for me nerves, now me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. Them go cut down me herbs and I tell me say fi plant cassava, yes. Now them fly like a bird and me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. The way them set it is fit things get harder. Check say we a fool, that's why them jada cardia. Say the road narrow and we find it broader. Be a things me say a gwan inna the saga. Me have to part me the potty and jab back for me ladder. Higher class people turn it in a laughter, while the bigger heads kick back and a roll out them Prada. And poor people not even can find water. Them go burn down me herbs and I tell me say me plant cassava, yes. Them get for me nerves, now me see the whole of them a run like a safa, boy. Them go cut down me herbs and I tell me say me plant cassava, boy. Now them fly like a bird and me see the whole of them a run like a safa, yes. Yeah, me.
No. Some a ganja planter, call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth, me put the ganja. Babylon come light it at a fire, me a chant. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth, me put the ganja. Babylon come, yo. Big stinking helicopter flow through the air. With them call it weed eater. Them never did it when me was out in water, or when me did implying fertilizer. Yet out of the sky them spitting fire, and I'm a little youth man with a hot temper. Me dig up me stinking rocket launcher, and in all the air this was the helicopter me a chant. Yes, I'm a ganja planter, call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth we me put the ganja. Babylon come a lot with a top fire me a chant. Yes, I'm a ganja planter, call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth we me put the ganja. Babylon come, yeah.
Beg you long we make him plant up the herbs. Not a soul him a disturb. He's planting for the healing of the nation. It's his only occupation. Beg you long we make him plant up the herbs. Not a soul him a disturb. He's planting for the healing of the nation. It's his only occupation. To all the neighbors who is living around the farmer, beg you please don't become an informer. If they're not farm without no food to survive, if not for farming, farmer can't stay alive. There'll be so many mouths to feed if he's taken down by the weeds. In this jungle con society, only healing herbs can bring some ease.
Father, we seek your blessing. Every day our children cry. Although some of us are missing, miss no life up and I can die. Father, we seek your blessing. Every day our children cry. Although some of us are missing, miss no life up and I can die. It's not pretty out there, yeah. Sticky out there, yeah. Slippery out there, yeah. Some full of trickery out there, whoa. One lip and dumpy out there. You're ragged and dirty out there, oh. And some ain't get smutty out there, oh.
I'm waiting on my baby. He may be gone from my side for a while, but I'm not cheating. No, I'm waiting on my baby.
Hey.
No matter where them try, no other guy can give me no better loving.
Boy, hey. She say I may not be the greatest baller, but she love me more than Pele and Diego Maradona. I'm not even a guitar specialist, but she love me more than Carlos Santana. Hey. She says she never would have left me side, even if me dip on the borderline. Oh, I know if not, but now maybe she wanna be my first lady. It's my lucky day. Me glad me find a girl to check for me. It's my lucky day. I know if not, but now maybe it's my lucky day. What a lucky
day. Glad me find a girl will check for me. It's my lucky day. Yeah. God knows. Hey, whoa. Me ask her where she come from, she start give me the saga. She say right away small and right at the border. Me ask her what her name and she tell me say Alta. Me ask about her parents and she say them a farmer. Them plant polypa yam acres of banana. She can't talk loud about the marijuana. She want carry me a country, make me pick 2 guava and show me how to plant the cassava. It's my lucky day. Me glad me find a girl will check for me. It's my lucky day. I know if not, but not maybe. It's my lucky day. What a lucky day. Glad me find a girl will check for me. It's my lucky day. God knows. Hey, boy.
Damn, girl.
Glad boy. What a
There's
lucky
nothing
day.
in this world I wouldn't do for you.
Lucky. What a lucky day.
Maybe, baby girl, I could just take you to Bahamas or stay here in Jamaica where we could sit and watch some drama. Or maybe take you to my place down there in Ghana. Take you to some islands if you wanna. Or maybe I could take you home and let you meet my mama. Let you meet some of my tuggies on the corner. Or take you out to buy your minks to keep you warmer. Buy your jewelries at Jewelorama. Tell me what you wanna, tell me what you really wanna. Do you wanna go to Arabia just to meet the snake charmer? Or do you wanna meet Carlos Santana to listen to sweet sounds of his guitar? Yeah, crazy love, you know? Crazy love. Maybe we could go someplace to sit and watch the stars. Or even ask an astronaut if he could take us up to Mars. Or maybe we could do some champagne sipping by the bars. Or even take a stroll together arms in arms. The invitation from Carlos, do you wanna accept? And hurry up and get dressed because we are his special guests. Or do you wanna stay here and do what we do best? Stay at home and let us have some time again. Ooh-wee, she's still loving me. And I can't deny, oh no, 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 no. Since she's been in my life, everything's been going fine. And I proudly to the world, yeah, she's mine. One and only, and I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. Oh no, no, she's mine. One and only, and I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. 'Cause she's truly mine, and most of what she does makes me feel so good inside. Tell the Lord inside, and I said, oh, she's the right one for me. He made no mistake, and I say this with no apology. Gramps, won't you sing about your lady?
She's still loving me, yeah, through all the trials and days, yeah, for I played around, still yet she held it down, yeah she did, she's still loving me, even though I made her cry, oh, caused her many sleepless nights, oh, and I had to make it right, oh, 'cause she
you was my closest friend. Have you in my arms again. Here she be calling me. Say she want the Rasta man. How could this be? She want for powering on me Rasta gang. It's only love. It's love only. Let it flow slowly. Flow slowly, yeah, yeah. Girl, I can't believe you still really wanna. After all that your mama and your papa say about me, she really still care about me. Say she can't do without me. Girl, your love has really got me. Same way that I want you. Girl, it's the same way you want me to. It's the same day that I saw you. Then I knew, and I was made for you. When love come knocking at you, non-stop stopping at you.
Oh yeah, I hear say them calling up my name. Babylon calling. They try to bring my life to shame. Did someone call for me? I hear them calling up my name. Calling. They try to bring my life to shame. That's how we go. Same so we set up. Yeah. That's how we go. That's how they sit and set. Oh yes. That's how we go. Same so we set up. Yeah. That's how we go. That's how they sit and set. Oh yeah. When you see some of the youths hungry in the street, now tell me how does it feel? Some can't go to school, car education is so high. Tell me you is still been playing. Mom and dad work so hard for our country, yet we don't know they can't get no pension. No one to show them a little attention. And the slip and the oh girl, girl, I love you and I won't be shy to tell you this, my girl, right in your eyes. How much I love you and I dare no lie.
take and every breath you make. Because the little things you do is coming back at you. The ditch you dig, it might just be your destiny. I might just rise above the odds, regain my victory. Hey, do right, do right, do right, do right, do right. Do good, do good, do good, do good, do good. Because the world is a cycle. Everything I have, yes, to come on in a circle.
For the world coming pure again. Baby, I understand the reason why you're leaving, but that doesn't make it any easier to bear. I know that I played the game of fool when I was cheating. Now I'm crying. Oh. Said I lost it, my intentions was not clear. Thought I was messing with your feelings, I didn't care. But I love you. But I love you. Yeah. So what could I do if you won't take me back to the arms of love? So what could I do if you won't take me back to your arms of love? Baby, sunshiny days back in my life again.
My life and thinking if I could survive without you. The thoughts are so frightening. So you say, you get this message, you
I didn't believe it's come to this. I didn't see it. I never meant to do the things I did. I really need you in my life. I'm standing in the dark, alone and lonely, thinking how am I to live without your love? I'm missing you a lot, missing you a lot. Since you gone, can't say that I'm not. I'm missing you a lot, missing you a lot. In this world, you're all that I've got. I'm missing you a lot, missing you a lot. Since you gone, can't say that I'm not. I'm missing you a lot, missing you a lot. Without your love.
Baby, I've been wondering, where have you been so long? In my life you made a statement. You're like my very first hit song. All this time I have been rising, but you have made me into a star. And without your love I'm nothing. Who I am now is who you are. I would climb the highest mountain, yes I do it. Give me any sea or ocean, I'd swim through it. Yeah, yeah, just to prove to you my love is never ending. No, no, an eternity with you I'll be spending. So baby, take my love, take it all. My everything, I give it to you. Please take full control of my heart. Baby, take my love, take it all. My everything, I give it to you. Please take full control. Take my wings and fly away. Take my wings and fly away. Loneliness was all I felt. Didn't wanna fall in love no more. Was so sad, I felt so many times I hit the floor. Hurt so bad, I didn't want no one to bring me down. Was sick and tired, then you came to lift before I met you. Dried my eyes and made me smile again. You helped me get through. Now I know what love's supposed to be. It's like you're flying. Now I know the love I found is real. 'Cause it keeps on rising. Say what I should say, but I got this feeling that you're feeling all these things I wanna show. I put it in the song to let you know. I think I like you, and if you got some time to spare, I was thinking we could fall in love. I want to let you in. Are you willing to catch my fall if I happen to just fall for you? My stronger every day, so
I told you. Will you believe me when I say affairs of the heart, together we've grown, if ever apart. All I want you to know is your love is life-changing, and I couldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall. When the tour bus drop off and all light lock off, and I'm a mere mortal again. Promoter belly full and all the fans gone home. I'm glad that you're more than a friend. Oh, when your love is life-changing, and I couldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall. There's people just like you and me, we pass them in the traffic, that never fall in love, and some me have it, say me lucky. Enough of them not fortunate enough to have somebody. Some just cannot see beyond the flesh, and it's so funny. Never get too caught up in yourself to feel the magic. True love come and pass you by in life, it is so tragic. Opportunity is good, so take it while you have it. Don't wait till you are panic. Well, the last man you there would make a big mistake. Left hand gone for good and miss out something we're great. Loyal and full of it when enough of them a move fake. Our things separate, we can't separate, cause I would miss you, baby. And I can't do without you, darling. Yes, and I would miss you, baby. Girl, you know I love you bad. Affairs of the heart, together we've grown. Things fall apart. All I want you to know, woman, your love is life-changing, and I wouldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall. When I'm away, it's like my song's always, cause you're not near to hear me. If I lost my way, I'd know I'd be okay, cause you'd be there to care me. I know, man, I can see things clearly. You're genuine because you love sincerely. You never let me down, not even nearly, not even barely. Girl, you know I love you bad. Some to the laughter and don't see the tears. Some to the courage and don't see the fear. Some for themselves and they don't intend to share. Some say I love and only pretend to care. Well, enough of them are just miscongeniality. Them pretty face and them not face reality. Well, them are quantity, woman, you are quality. Girl, you know I love you bad.
I like the way that you move your body, señorita. Makes me wanna be a partner. Up and down the way you move around, it's got me. You got me loving the way that you move my mind to this Indian guitar. Makes me wanna be a partner. Up and down the way you move around, it's got me. You got me. Check it. I like the thing that you do there with your hips. Like the way that you move your waist around. Lots of sex appeal when you lick your lips. Oh my señorita, you got me like whoa. The way you pop it when you dip, I can see you ain't no ordinary chick. Everything about you tops the list of what a brother like. I like the way that you move your body, señorita. Makes me wanna be a partner. Up and down the way you move around, it's got me. You got me loving the way that you move my mind to this Indian guitar. Makes me wanna be a partner. Up and down the way you move around, it's got me. You got me. You got me feeling real good tonight, mama. Cause every move that you make is right. And I can't get my eyes off you now. Oh my, you're really putting it down tonight. Oh, señorita, don't break the floor. I wanna see you some more. Bring your way down to the floor. Just keep it coming, ma. I like the way that you
Friends and family, that's how we ought to be. Not to be grateful, not to be grateful for. Not to be
First of all, I'm giving thanks to the highest creator. That's important in my estimation. Half a call pan I listen last in my inspiration. And for all of me ancestors before me pour the libation. Sitting at the altar, my ask for an altercation. With my family, my friends and my closest of all relations. Enough of bad mind and in my face a salutation. If I up to them I would have salivation. But me give thanks I'm a Jamaican. Me nah look no validation from the other nation. When I overstand the connotation, them in my statements. Take a look on the population. Anything we touch a world domination. So nobody wait for nobody. Me totally I milk the game like totally. That's Oprah Winfrey do for me. But how can it be so when so many been doubting me? Them a cast down the cloud for me, but still I see the sunshine coming out for me. Grateful.
Lot to be grateful. Lot to be grateful for. Lot to be grateful. A lot to be grateful. A lot to be grateful for. Yeah. Oh, lot to be. A lot to be. Lots to be. Lots to be grateful for. Give thanks and praises. Give thanks and praise. There's a lot to be thankful for. There's a lot to be grateful for. Lots to be grateful for. There's lots to be grateful for. So much to be grateful for. There's a lot to be grateful for.
None of them boy they catch at me, enough for them song out the road and not at me lyrics. Me chopping them tough like my agony, me do it properly. Them no suck up and me slap it, look how me happily traveling, just like a javelin. Enough for them bubbling, shake your warrior wobbling, but I'm not bothered with foundation where we standing. It's solid like rock stone. Yo man, I that like cockstone. Lyrics and melodies locked down, like curfew when the sun drop down. We not pop down. Look for who they on the top now. When I get the green, that's like pop show. And my lyrics them never yet slack no. But you disrespect and get boxed down. 10 years still in my prime, chatting them multi-syllable rhymes. Gang, Zilla cosign, I know my lawyer charge a billable time. Look for my team, day one better than still by my side. Living the dream, holy pop blood, and sweat and tears. We've been through the money, we're still looking clean. We are the this one, we're in our teens. Never have nothing but still we believe. Thanks to the blessing that when we receive. Me what I said and I say what I mean. I know the money that's piling in. I'm looking around, I like the scene. Black excellence from left to right. I'm giving thanks for life. You see it?
Lot to be grateful. Lot to be grateful for.
My girl bougie, but she's so nice. Love how she no fussy, she's just living her life. She tell me that she wants to go to country tonight. She wants to see where I'm from, she wants to go for a ride. The next day we go a El Sha, go link screechy. We order food and then we sit down and I easy till she hear the music and fling her shoulder to how she go on and who that thinks that she a raver. Oh, when you are par with we, a good time is guaranteed. Build up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are go touch a party. Oh, and when you are with we, a good time is guaranteed. Build up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are go touch a party. From the baby, make me race and like the number 10. You raise the bar so I right now make you say none of 10. No. With you my future bright so now I can't look back again. Some of them are 5 and 6 but girl you a 10 out of 10. You're real, I'ma love it, yeah, you not pretend. Never. You are set the trend, baby, you are a gem. True. The love for me I said, I hope that you can comprehend. In a deal with only fans because me I your only man. Let's go to Ochi, oh what a vibe. Duns River Falls would be somewhere you would like. Then we go to Senti, Treasure Beach, Chota Pelican Bar, you know the boat have you reach. Then we go to Negril, then to Mobay, yeah. Go to Portland for a couple days. Kingston City, life at the party. It's a Wednesday, so ready, ready. When you are par with me, a good time is guaranteed. Build up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are go touch a party. Oh, when you are par with me, a good time is guaranteed. Build up your vibes and get tired. Tonight we are go touch a party.
I see how you be staring at the braids on my dome. I see how you be checking out the ice on my chrome. I know you honeys wanna take a real man home, so hit me on my two-way and put it on me now.
I know what you be saying when you whisper to your girl. I see how you be licking on that chocolate swirl. I know you want me over there to rock your world. Hit me on my two-way and we can get it on.
Hit me up and let me know what's the deal if maybe we can tell. If you don't, I'll hit you on the cell. Holler at me later, honey, you can feel it, baby, I can tell. Later I'll be ringing on your bell. Hit me me up and let me know what's the deal if maybe we can tell. If you don't, I hit you on the cell. Holler at me later, honey, you can feel it, baby, I can tell. Later I'll be ringing on your bell.
I see you looking here, you're checking out my ride. I feel those jeans you're rocking, but my shorty's by my side. I wanna holler at you, but my hands are tied.
Hit me on my two-way,
and we can get it on.
You tripping, he be bugging out for sure. He saw the kiss you blew me and his jaws hit the floor. But you don't have to settle for that crap no more.
Hit me on my two-way,
put it on me now.
Hit me up and let me know what's the deal if maybe we can tell. If you don't, I hit you on the cell. Holler at me later, honey, you can feel it, baby, I can tell. Later I'll be ringing on your bell. Up and let me know what's the deal if maybe we can tell. If you don't, I hit you on your cell. Holler at me later, honey, you can feel it, baby, I can tell. Later I'll be ringing on your bell.
Baby mother was happening because of the honeys in my car. Yeah, we skinny dipping and we eating caviar. Chilling by the pool, shaggy smoking a cigar. Multi-platinum and counting. You have to be a star to do it like we do it, like a genie in the jar. Hit me on my page and maybe later we can tar. Kick it by my crib or we can hang by the bar. My crib is on the map, is on the map. Mr. Bombastic. We order some bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. Mr. Lover. Now Mr. Lover. Girl. Mr. Lover. Now Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Call me fantastic, touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Smooth, just like a silk. Soft and cuddly, hug me up like a quilt. I'm a lyrical lover. Now take me thin filled with my sexual physique. You know me well, Bill. Do me, oh my, well, can't you tell? I'm just like a turtle crawling out of my shell. Girl, you captivate my body, put me under a spell. With your couscous perfume, I love your sweet smell. You're the young girl who can ring my bell, and I can take rejection. So you tell me go to well, I'm bombastic. Fantastic, touch me on my back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Call me fantastic, she touch me on my back, she says I'm Mr. Bombastic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on my back, she call me Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, she touch me on my back, she says I'm Mr. Gee whiz, baby please, let me take you to an island of the sweet cold breeze. You don't feel like drive, well baby hand me the keys, and I will take you to a place and set your mind at ease. Don't you tip my foot bottom, baby please. Don't you play with my nose, cause I'm a hatchoon sneeze. Well you are the bun and me are the cheese, and if I'm me are the rice, well baby love you the peas. I'm bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr. Bombastic. Tell me fantastic, touch me on me box, she says I'm Mr.
Treat her like diamonds and pearls. Dedicate to all girls around the world. And this is Raymond and Shaggy with a combination with your mix. Flip this one on your musical disc.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
Life is one big party when you're still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live for your pure fun. Can't be a fool, son, what about the long run? Looking back, shorty, always a mention. Say me not giving her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
You're a queen and that's how you should be treated. Though you never get the loving that you needed. Could have left but I call and you heeded. Begged and I pleaded, mission completed. And I said that I this the program. Not the type to mess around with your emotion.
Yeah.
But the feeling that I have for you is so strong. Been together so long and this could never be wrong.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, baby.
Yeah. Shorty. Yeah. This one goes out to all my women, you know, my strong women. So amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is a woman. The gift of life astounds me to this day. I give it up for the woman. She's the constant wind that fills my sail. Oh, that woman. With a smile and a star, she'll protect you like a child. That's a woman. She'll put a smile upon her face and take you to the higher place. So don't you underestimate strength of a woman. Strength of a woman. Woke up this morning, I got up with a scent of a woman. Just picture if you would what life would be. Ain't much good without a woman. She can nag and be a constant pain. Oh, that woman. But those hips, she's got me whipped, and it's just too hard to resist. What a woman. Hey, she'll put a smile upon her face and take you to the higher place. So don't you underestimate the strength of a woman. Strength of a woman. Tender lips, they're so, so sweet. Gentle where she softly speaks. Such an angel when we meet. God bless the ground beneath her feet. She can take you on a high, be a comfort when you cry. But if you look into her eyes, you'll see the strength of a woman. Strength of a woman. I wanna pick up tomorrow, okay, you know? All my ladies, y'all the true players. Y'all wrote the game, you know what I mean? It's nothing like the sweetest wine, the sweetest time. She always give this. Whenever time she start feel sexy, that's when she finds she pick up her phone and a text me. Normally me name my call, she scream and ball, fingernail a scratch up wall. My jump off is normally easy, but tonight it's like she take charge and she stop let me lie them roll. Me told them I fall, me lose control, I need console. It seems like she flipped the script, wait for the right time and then she flip that switch. For her I had a little devotion. See I'm a true player and we don't show emotion. Now is this the moment of fear? I started to care, I'm shedding a tear. No way. Bad man don't. No way. crazy. All the couple mothers was with me. That's when I seen her walking slow. All of a sudden I just started feeling low. She had some dude on her arm, and I'm thinking about causing bodily harm. My emotions start going crazy. And normally me a boy with them things and no face me. It seems I was catching feelings. The right thing to do now is to cut off dealings. She didn't even look my way. I so got played. I felt betrayed so deep that blow. It felt like she twisted that knife. How one boom slam can really change one's life. No, bad man don't cry. No, baby, bad man don't cry. Now if you're feeling what I'm feeling, just put up your hand. You don't wanna beat it, well I understand. You gotta confront these feelings, cause it's the only way you can start the healing. It really wasn't part of my plan, so make a girl know so that man in my mind. I know a lot of players be scheming, and when she ignores you, you walk off steaming. No, bad man don't she's a friend, she's a lover, what hurt to be my wife. Woman, you mean so much in my life. She's humble and well capable. When they say I me feel comfortable, say she's humble and well capable. When they say I me feel comfortable a long time, me I admire you and me know from your heart you want to the same to a long time. Say me I admire you and me know from your heart you want to the same to. I'm in the mood for some good loving. Baby girl, it's a good feeling. I'm in the mood for some good loving. Baby girl, it's a good feeling.
I wanna be your man. I want you to understand. I wanna be your man. I wanna be your man. I want you to understand. Just wanna be your man.
taken time for a feeling to grow. You're so close now, I can't let you go. No, I can't let go. With you, I'm not shy to show the way I feel. With you, I'm not shy. My secrets to reveal. You are a magnet, and I am steel. I can't hope that I'd hold you for long, baby. You're a woman who's lost in her song years. But the love I feel, it's so strong, girl, and it can't be wrong. Hey, hey. With you, I'm not shy to show the way I feel. With you, I'm not shy. My secrets to reveal. You are a magnet, and I am steel. How can it be forbidden if it's love? How can it be? How can it be? How can it be forbidden if it's love? Love, love. How can it be? How can it be? When I look into the mirror, I see someone whose life will never be the same again. 'Cause they say that what we found, forbidden love, love. And the question we are up against, how can it be forbidden if it's love, love, love? How can it be? How can it be? Somebody tell me, how can it be forbidden if it's love, sweet love? How can it be? How can it be? I've got to make that girl mine. I've been waiting all my life, eh, for someone just like you. We both know the feeling's fine. Oh, but society say that it should never, never be. How can it be forbidden if it's love? I'm telling you, how can it be? Hey, how can it be? How can it be forbidden if it's love? I ask the question one more time.
This is the third world order.
Hey yo, turn world, Bounty Kill and Shaggy, Dollar Mercy.
The dance from the west side, getting down with the girls on the east side. No tribal warfare in the air. Stone up, he must string up. Jah know the roots, man on the road, he must set up. Reggae music everywhere. Ooh, Lord. Tell somebody, having a party, yeah. We're gonna tell somebody, gonna love somebody. No trouble on the West Bank, no one's trying to be the top rank. Let's throw our differences away, yes. Work hard for this good time, Jano. We'll be jamming on the front line. The reggae boys are here to play. We're gonna tell somebody, don't you know we're gonna love somebody?
the music attack the world with a fever. It's party going on, me no intent to leave. The man of a party from Jamaica to Geneva. With music pumping, only coming through the speaker. Every man a rub a dub with them, senorita. The one arm and give it 1.9 millimeter. So let's just pull a vibe full of beat.
Sly and Robbie, Beanie Man, Shaggy, Maxi and Bounty. Ladies saw shit, you'll be there. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. We gonna love somebody. Started with John down. Tell somebody. Don't you know we gonna love somebody. It's somebody in session. Moving on up night over next door. Our reggae party in session. Moving on up night over next door. There's somebody in session. Moving on up night over next door. Our reggae party in session. Moving on up night over next door.
In a Rastaman party, chalice we bun, chalice we lit. In a Rastaman party, malice we bun, and a roots we sip. Roots and chalice, sipping roots and chalice. Rastaman party, chalice we bun, and a roots we sip. Load up your cochino. Me puffy then she puffy then you puffy so. Me massive them I wonder how me love it so. I man no drink no rum. Ooh, yeah. Oh what a Saturday. See Viva coming with the roots buckle there. Me see Jamel him a forward with a grab a leaf. Me take it from him and tell him don't carry none of these. In a Rastaman party, and chalice we bun, chalice we lit. In a Rastaman party, malice we bun, and a roots we sip. Roots and chalice, sipping the roots and chalice. Oh, in a Rastaman party, and chalice we bun, and a roots we sip. Look how much people pack up in ya. Look how much vehicle pack up in ya. Some me know Selassie is the winner. Ooh, yeah. The world get enough love from Rasta. So, oh, Babylon a puff for Rasta. And if you come in and the dance all to trouble, I will. I beg you don't bother put a feet in a Rastaman party. Oh, hey, in a Rastaman party. Malice we bun, and a roots we see. Oh, roots and a roots we see. Give a little love, and show some love. So Rastaman say give a little love, and show some love. So you living your life in the ghetto paradise. I'm living that life in the ghetto paradise. Well, me no know how me survive the hardship in you. Life never sweet like a chocolate vanilla. Train line me born, me no born in a villa. Little monkey, watch how you a talk to gorilla car. Che government buy arms, get the killer. Two party a flex like a party. Them in accepting presents from foreign government. We still a fool them and a school them and cocky them in. Good God of Moses and Rodney the killer. Poor people fed up and we can't simmer. Can hardly survive as a blasted singer. Much less a baller who is a brought to the winner. Have a right foot like a David Villa. The mother still a sell in a market. The jam rock is a precious stone. Still it's far from a diamond. Take it from Iman. Even though Jamaican nights, you gotta live to save your life. After the sunset comes the darkness of the night.